to on tilt trading. I'm currently short in multiple positions in Bitcoin. Basically, these are two positions. I am short bias, and I'll walk you through what I have top down here. So first here on the daily chart. I took 4 positions here on the daily chart, based off the daily chart. 2 from yesterday here, and then 2 from today here. These 4 entries are basically one position, but then they have 2 different targets, and then one of these trades has a different stop. But this was based off of yesterday's price action here. Let me show you what set this up. So I've got this swing high here on the monthly, and this here is the swing low, still here on the daily chart. And with that, you can see with this candle here, price action traded above and closed above the swing high here. Price action also traded into this blue rectangle, which is a fair value gap, and also traded into this green candle right here, which is an order block. So with price breaking this, or at least let's say closing above this swing high, trading into this fair value gap and this order block, this gave me the overall short bias, and looking for a price to trade into this fair value gap and then deliver to the sell side here. The first trade I took, or at least the first 2 from yesterday, I just took as soon as they entered the fair value gap. And with that, I put my stop above the order block on this candle. Since then, I've taken lower stop losses, but I'll show you those in a minute. And then my target is from 2 months ago, is actually the low of July. There's sell side liquidity resting right here, so I want to target that liquidity with this trade. And then so that is the my furthest target, and I have here this first arrow here and this first arrow here. These are both set for that target for the month of July's low. And now for the other position here, that I took a position yesterday and took a position today, these are a bit nearer for target here. So I'll go here, and then I place my stop loss for these trades. Actually, I need to back up for this one. Okay, so my stop loss, this is actually covering it up right here, but my stop loss is at the high of this candle. This candle is actually the fair value gap, is located inside of this candle, so I chose the high of that candle for my stop loss here. And then my target is there is sell side liquidity resting below these near equal lows right here. So you can see there is 1, 2, and 3 lows that are nearly equal. There's going to be sell side liquidity resting here, and on my way to potentially take profits from the July low. These relatively equal lows, these are the lows from August. So targeting the lows here. Also with this swing high, this orange line that you see here is the monthly, is September 1st. So with this showing, or at least having a sell side bias, looking for liquidity from last month and the previous month to be swept or rated. This is my overall trade idea. And then for the other positions, they are based off of the 60-minute chart. So these 2 trades here are these 2 trades here. And then this trade here, this is the same as this trade here. So this was yesterday's attempt at a day trade, but as you can see, with yesterday closed here and today opened here, and there was no sell side delivery here. So my short from yesterday, which is right here, is still on. And then I added to that short position here. So these two positions, or these three positions, are short trades that I would look to be able to take profits in today. And then on the 60-minute chart, those will be the same as these. And then there's a couple here. So for this, I'm looking to take profits. Let's see, where are we here? 935. All of these are the same. So these three are all the same. So my stop loss, two of them for today, I chose a higher stop loss. For today, for today's two positions, for these two positions here, I actually chose this stop loss here on the daily, which is the fair value gap here, same one that I used on three of these positions here. And then for the first position that I took, have to go back here, and my stop loss is just above this high right here. I could have set the same stop over here, but due to the nature of the price action this morning, things were moving pretty quickly. So the amount of time it would have taken me to kind of calculate or scroll back or pull up the order on the just pull up the order for the particular level I was looking for with price action and wanting to get price in the correct location. I just chose a stop that was appropriate, not necessarily the let's say the closest or tightest stop loss. So a bit wide, but I don't mind being a bit wide when things are consolidating and going slowly. So with also I'm re-entered, or at least took additional entries on the short. Yesterday price action failed to rebalance this fair value gap. But today, this price action here, the buy side traded into the fair value gap and actually rebalanced the fair value gap. Let's see here. Okay. There. I'm going to move this over this one. Okay. So price action actually traded into this area, into this candle, and rebalanced it. So yesterday it stayed in the middle of the range here, and then today completely rebalanced. So there's no necessity or it's not necessary for Bitcoin to trade any further to the long side. It has what it needs if it wants to continue to the sell side now. So that was a concern with yesterday's trade, whether or not I was getting in too early because there had not been a rebalance. But at the same time, there's no guarantee that there will be a rebalance, nor is a rebalance of the fair value gap necessary for price to deliver to the sell side here. So in a bit of a, let's say, a no man's land, or an area where price is consolidating. So this is an area where I like to get into a position and then just allow it to, if all goes well, break out into my trade direction. So overall, what is this? I was showing My targets here. Where's the 935 here? So this is the trade off of the 60-minute. Again, I showed the stops that were back there and the stop that was up here. But the target is an order block here on the 60-minute. Come back over here. And this order block was put in yesterday, midnight New York time. It is right here. So this is my target. So looking for sell side down to this level here. And you'll probably see some consolidation when price looks like my screen wants to reset here. Alright, I'm not sure what's going on with my platform here, but my screen just went blank. So that's going to wrap up what I have for right now. I'll probably be back later once I figure out whatever is going on with my system here. If you'd like to know more, visit us at OnTilt Trading.